anytime we go out to meet someone for windows, one of the first questions we ask is, what type of construction do you want to do? So we could do a full tear, meaning that we're removing all of your interior and exterior trim. We're pulling back the existing frame. We're trying to get as close as we can as existing studs to minimize how much glass you're gonna lose. And then we're gonna clean out the entire opening, the entire pocket, to make sure there's no wood rot, and we fix everything. A lot of homeowners wanna go that way because in a perfect world, you would always do it that way. However, it's much more expensive, and there are some other drawbacks. So if you live in a historic home or a home with beautiful interior wood trim that you could never find, they don't make that kind of wood trim today. Not in durability, not in style, not in color. If we remove all that trim and we go back, it's gonna be fairly cheap wood today. So there's a lot of homeowners, myself included, who would never consider ripping out their gorgeous interior wood trim that's in mint perfect condition, or at least 90% fantastic, okay? The next option a lot of times is a replacement window. So one of the big advantages of replacing a window is, like, let's say you have a stucco exterior, or you have really nice interior wood trim. We could leave the stucco exterior alone. We could leave your interior gorgeous, beautiful wood trim, and we're basically gonna install a vinyl window inside the existing pocket, okay? So we would remove we'd remove your current window from the inside out. We would clean out the pocket in the frame, so we'd scrape it. If there's wood rot, we'd have to fix it. We would tape, caulk, and foam and flash to make sure it's anti-water type. But we installed a new window inside your pocket. You are gonna lose probably 1 inch to 2 inches of glass around the window, because we're putting a new window basically inside the area of the old window. So there's benefits from cost savings, there's benefits from time on the job, and there's huge benefits for keeping your existing trim or not disturbing stucco or brick on the outside. So there's positives, but there's also drawbacks, because most people don't love the idea of getting up glass. So it comes down to what's your budget, what type of home you have, what's most important to you. There's no right or wrong solution. We're about 50-50. It just depends on what's important to the homeowner.